Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode I want to show you how I make mango mousse. I just want you to know that I have recently changed my channel name from Laila's Home Cooking to Laila Jugon because I have so much to share with you rather than cooking. So you guys know that we're doing vlogging and you guys ask for us to do vlogging. Please subscribe to our channel. We also have a new channel called Cuisine Laila, and me and my husband is doing the vlogging in it and showing you and sharing so much with you guys. Today's episode I want to show you how I make mango mousse. Easy peasy, no bake, no cook, nothing, just preparation and your mango mousse will be ready. And we need 2 ripe beautiful red mangoes. I'm just doing for 2. If you want more, you can just repeat the amount of ingredients that I'm gonna give you. And then we also need some condensed milk. I'm not gonna use the whole can. And then some whipping cream. So to begin, I'm gonna start peeling the mangoes and then I'm gonna cut them into chunks, and then it's going to blend just as is without adding anything. And our mango puree is ready, and now I'm gonna set this on the side so we can move to the next step. Okay, so let's move on. So the whipping cream, heavy cream, I'm gonna use an electric hand mixer, and then I'm gonna keep whipping it until you get the whipped cream. Now you can buy ready-made whipped cream. So a lot of you ask me about if it's heavy cream and whipping cream, are they the same? Yes, they are the same. So like you see, this one is liquid, right? So this is heavy cream. So after you mix it, it's gonna take you like 5 to 6 minutes, and then you're gonna get the whipped cream. But if you don't wanna do this step, you can buy the ready-made whipped topping. Okay, so as you can see, I have changed the bowl. I'm using a bigger bowl. I should have thought about this from the beginning, so I wouldn't have to dirty another bowl, you know, because a bigger bowl is easy to work. So, okay, let's set this on the side. We're gonna use this again. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of condensed milk. I'm probably gonna add half of can, not all of them, okay? It's gonna be too sweet because a mango is already sweet. But if you do like sweet, yeah, then you can just add another 2 more tablespoons. That will do the job, the sweet job. So we're gonna mix again. And the mango puree, I'm gonna add, we are going to mix again. And that's it. And I'm just gonna take the spatula and then just run it all around the bowl, just to make sure that everything gets mixed. Our mango dessert is ready and it is so yummy. You can serve it right now. This has to go in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours, and then you can serve this, and it's gonna be like a mango mousse. Spoon it. You can put mango chunk, cut the mango into chunk and just serve it with a mango chunk on top. You can also sprinkle some coconut. You can also top it with whipped cream, and just do whatever you want. It's your dessert. You're gonna be making it. Just eat the way you like it. But the written ingredient will be down below in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.